We are viewing the fetus inside the transparent womb. Notice the subtle movements as it stretches its limbs. As we zoom closer, the Doppler effect clearly shows the turbulent and restricted flow within the intervillous space. As the cord compresses, the vigorous flow of oxygenated blood is restricted, turning from bright red to a sluggish, darker crimson. As you can see, the oxygen saturation around the fetus is beginning to decline, shifting from healthy blue tones to an alarming red. As the infections spread through the maternal environment, it poses a significant risk to the developing fetus within the womb. The placenta and amniotic membranes are reacting to infection. This inflammatory response releases cytokines. When hypertension occurs during pregnancy, the uterine arteries narrow, compromising the critical blood flow to the placenta.
As the clot grows, it obstructs the flow of vital nutrients. The resulting blockage deprives the patient.
When inflammation occurs, the maternal immune system sends white blood cells to the placenta. This can lead to the release. The visualization highlights a duplicate in the 12th column. This trisomy is linked to the bradycardia is worsening. We are at 6 beats per minute and dropping. The fetus is suffering from severe oxygen deprivation. As the hypoxia worsens, the vital organs,
Fetal movement is an important indicator of health. When movements slow down significantly, it may signal a need for medical attention. This comparison highlights the key differences. The healthy fetus shows strong placental blood flow.
The medical intervention timeline indicates that risks remain low initially, but escalate rapidly, reaching a critical threshold. The key to managing these changes lies in early detection. Regular screenings are vital for your health.